The tech you need to know after 60. Vertical bar, Senior Tech Hub. Introduction, 0 o'clock to 0:30. Background music fades in, upbeat and welcoming. Subtitles at bottom, centered throughout the entire video. Narrator. Are you over 60 and wondering what tech tools you should be using to stay connected, safe, and entertained? Welcome to Senior Tech Hub. In today's video, we'll cover the must-have technology that's perfect for seniors. Easy to use, practical, and designed to enhance your daily life. Let's dive in. Text overlay, the tech you need to know after 60, Vertical Bar Senior Tech Hub. Essential devices for seniors, 0:30 to 2:00 World. Narrator. First up, let's talk about devices that make life easier. Smartphones like the iPhone and Samsung Galaxy are not only great for staying connected with family and friends, but they also come with voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, which can help with reminders, navigation, and even health tracking. Footage of a senior using a smartphone with a voice assistant, making a video call, and checking a health app. Narrator. Tablets are also fantastic for reading, watching shows, or browsing the web. If you're looking for something even simpler, consider senior-friendly devices like the GrandPad, designed specifically for ease of use and communication. Text on screen. Smartphones, vertical bar tablets, vertical bar senior-friendly devices. Keywords: smartphones for seniors, easy-to-use devices, tablets for seniors, voice assistants, senior-friendly tech. Staying safe with technology, 2 o'clock to 3:00. Narrator. Safety is always a priority and technology can help here too. Smart home devices like Amazon Echo or Google Nest can control lights, check security cameras, and even contact emergency services with a voice command. There are also medical alert systems like Life Alert and wearable tech like the Apple Watch, which can detect falls and monitor heart health. Visuals of smart home devices, a senior speaking to a voice-activated assistant, and someone using a medical alert system. Narrator, these technologies give you peace of mind, knowing that help is just a tap or a voice command away. Keywords: senior safety, smart home devices, medical alert systems, wearable tech, health monitoring. Staying connected, 3 o'clock to 4:00. Narrator. Staying connected has never been easier, and tech can make sure you never miss a moment. Video calling apps like Zoom, FaceTime, and Skype allow you to see your loved ones no matter where they are in the world. Social media platforms like Facebook are also great for staying in touch and keeping up with friends and family. Footage of a senior using FaceTime to video chat with grandchildren and scrolling through a Facebook feed. Narrator. And don't forget about easy-to-use messaging apps like WhatsApp or Messenger, perfect for quick check-ins or sharing photos instantly. Text on screen. Zoom, vertical bar, FaceTime, vertical bar, Skype, vertical bar, WhatsApp, vertical bar, Facebook. Keywords: staying connected, video calling for seniors, easy messaging apps, social media for seniors, entertainment and learning made simple, 4 o'clock to 5:00. Narrator. Entertainment and lifelong learning are also at your fingertips. Streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube offer endless options for movies, shows, and tutorials. Plus, e-readers like the Kindle make reading more accessible, and online courses like those offered on Udemy or Coursera can help you pick up new skills anytime, anywhere. Footage of a senior using a tablet to stream a show, reading an ebook on a Kindle, and watching a tutorial on YouTube. Narrator. With the right tech, there's always something new to explore, whether it's learning, entertainment, or both. Keywords: entertainment for seniors, streaming services, e-readers, online learning, lifelong learning for seniors. Call to action and end screen, 5 o'clock to 5:30. Narrator. Ready to explore more tech tips and advice tailored for seniors? Make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay updated with Senior Tech Hub for more helpful videos like this. Also, check out the link in the description to discover more tech tools that can simplify your life. Text on screen. Subscribe now. bit.ly/GilHP. Narrator. Thanks for watching, and remember, the right tech can make your golden years even brighter. YouTube video description. Title: The Tech You Need to Know After 60. Vertical Bar Senior Tech Hub. Description: wondering what tech tools are perfect for seniors? From smartphones and smart home devices to apps that keep you connected, this video covers the essential technology you need to know after 60. Whether you're looking to stay connected, stay safe, or simply enjoy entertainment and learning, we've got you covered. Explore more senior-friendly tech tools here, bit.ly 3XO-GLHP. Subscribe to Senior Tech Hub for more tech tips tailored for seniors. Keywords: senior tech, tech for seniors, smartphones for seniors, staying connected, medical alert systems, smart home devices for seniors, senior-friendly technology, technology tips for seniors, tech after 60. Tags: #Senior Tech Hub, #Tech for Seniors, #Smart Home Devices, #Senior Safety, #Connected Seniors, #Tech Tips for Seniors, #Medical Alert Systems, #Lifelong Learning for Seniors.